Hello, my wonderful Facebook group. How are you today? We're still talking laundry room decor. I am in a new spot today. You are in the laundry room with Deb, and I am your home and decluttering consultant. And the reason why I'm in the laundry room is because I need to show you. I'm going to repost this earlier. I'm going to repost the picture I'm going to show you the before of my laundry room decor, and then I'm going to post you the after, but I want to be able to show you the after too. So that's why I am here, and please pardon my moving the phone because I cannot get a stable tripod to work with me. Now, where are you guys in your laundry room? What have you done in your laundry room? Have you redecorated? Have you cleaned out your laundry cabinet? Like mine. I finally finished that. I got that done. Hey, Christina, thanks for watching. And what have you done? Have you done anything? We've talked about laundry. We've talked about stains. We've talked about it all. Cleaning it all up. Now, today, I wanted to show you what I really want in my laundry room is a backsplash. However, I cannot find the right backsplash design I want. It's a peel and stick. That's my ultimate goal. I apologize for the phone moving because I can't get a nice tripod in where I am to show you what I need to show you that I'm going to reveal soon. So I came up with another way. In the meantime, why I'm looking for my backsplash and when I'm ready to tackle it, because I'm trying to decide how I'm going to get around all those pipes. And this is something I'm going to be able to have to do myself with the peel and stick and measure and cut. I'm not that good at it, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. But in the meantime, I decided what I'd do for those of you just to try it, and I did it on the cheap scale. I went to the dollar store, and I will be putting pictures of what I purchased in the dollar store too, because obviously I can't show you now because it's all decorated, and I will show you that shortly. I got stickers. Hey Heather, it's so nice to see you. And everybody, thank you for being here. Thanks for hopping on and saying hi. Yeah, I went and got stickers, and I got scrapbooking stickers. I got plain stickers. I got contact. Well, I had the contact paper, which you'll see shortly. I came up with a clever idea. I'm hiding some of the hoses in the back of the laundry room. I'm hiding them. Yes, I said hiding them. And it's real simple to hide them, and I'll show you that shortly. I think I spent, I'm going to say $5 on the stickers I needed for the laundry room, and I purchased a stencil. I did not use the stencil, although I may use that stencil. Remember that what sign I showed you from Tuesday on the video? I would like to take that sign, if you want to go look at that sign on the video, and I want to put the eucalyptus leaf stencil at the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it with the black chalkboard paint. That's something I'm thinking about. I'm not sure yet, but I've got the stencil, and that's what I'm going to use the stencil for. But temporarily, I use the stickers to decorate my laundry room. And I'm doing that, like I said, because I want it to look nice. I got tired of it being plain white and boring. And I wanted to introduce something new. So, now when I go to the reveal, you won't see me. I'm going to try not to wiggle the phone as best as I can. I'm going to let you look at it. So, here we go, ladies. Are you ready for the reveal? Da, 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 da. Can you see? I hope you could. I'm trying not to hold the phone as best as I can because it's a very small area. Do you see the butterflies? They are little stickers. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to get you as close as I can. Do you see the flowers? And this is what I told you that's hiding all my hoses, laundry hoses. What this is, and I can't show it to you any better because maybe I could show you from further away. Basically what it is a box. It's a box decorated with wallpaper to look like a shelf. And the flowers above it are all one sticker. I found I don't know if I could show you Be Happy. Where's the bee? I can't find the bee. It's hard to show you doing this. Well, anyway, it says B-E-E, Be Happy. There's bees in there. There's butterflies. There's roses. And actually, I don't know if I could show you better from further away. You could see that it is stickers, especially in the photos I'm going to be putting together for you that I'll show you right after I get off the live. Yes, it is stickers. Some of the stickers, I will say, some stick better than others, some don't. And I'm learning that. Like the the butterfly stickers stick the best, honestly. And those are the ones I think that are more for scrapbooking. They work the best. The Be Happy itself and the roses, those kind of are popping up a little bit, I have to admit. But it was a nice try. And I would say if you want to do the sticker ones, get the better stickers so that you can't really tell that there's the stickers. I wouldn't get them from the dollar store. Let me know what you think of the reveal. What you think of my nice little project, and then hiding the hoses. I'd love to hear your opinion on that and what you think of that. Like I said, I'm trying to show you as best I can because this area is so small and I can't put it on the tripod. So, what did you think, ladies, huh? So, that is my reveal. If you have any questions about the project or anything, or want other little clever ideas for your laundry room, you know where to find me in the group. Any questions, comments, put them out there. If you need a home consult, let me know. I have a couple of spots still open next week, and I'd be happy to give you some household hacks. You know me and my hacks. That's my hacks, and with my hoses there. You know me. I'm pretty clever with that stuff. Queen of Household Hacks. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining me, and I will see you in the group.